Why do my knuckles crack?
It's not your bones, Patrick. A gas bubble forms in the fluid around your joint. That's the pop.
A bubble?
Like opening is soda. Joint pulled apart. Vapor cavity forms. Snap.
But my MOM said it gives you arthritis.
A doctor named Donald Unger cracked his left hand 36,000 times over 60 years. Kept the right uncracked. No difference.
60 years?
Won the IG Nobel for it in 2009. Your mom was wrong, Patrick. Sorry. MRI study in 2015 settled the physics. The bubble forms, doesn't collapse. They call it tribonucleation.